finding yourself wishing for a fun, engaging way to strengthen your problem-solving and optimization skills within a creative engineering context, making building feel like a delightful puzzle? Roller Coaster Kit presents an innovative solution, turning track design into satisfying structural challenges. The application features various constraints and objectives for each coaster project, encouraging users to balance speed, safety, and excitement, ensuring rapid development of both analytical thinking and creative ingenuity. The app's energetic sound effects during test rides and clear visual cues for structural integrity create a motivating and immersive competitive environment. While the inclusion of a leaderboard for sharing and ranking designs might add more social depth, its current emphasis on individual design excellence is very impactful for building engineering intuition. Ultimately, Roller Coaster Kit proves to be an admirable resource for honing essential problem-solving and systematic thinking under pressure in a captivating, interactive setting. Consistent engagement can contribute to improved skills. Consider downloading Roller Coaster Kit if a high-energy approach to design and engineering sounds appealing.